Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from HubSpot credits and unused contacts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw HubSpot credits, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the left-hand sidebar, locate and select the Billing and Account option. Next, find the Credits section within the Billing page. You will see an overview of your current credits balance. Look for an option that says Withdraw Credits. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to fill out a form detailing the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you enter the correct amount to avoid any issues. Once you have filled in the details, review your submission for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal request. Now, to withdraw unused contacts, return to the main dashboard of your HubSpot account. Click on the Contacts tab located in the top navigation bar. From there, select Contacts again to access your contact list. In this list, you will see all your stored contacts. Filter the list to identify any unused contacts if necessary. Select the contacts you wish to remove. Locate the Actions drop-down menu at the top of the contacts list. Choose the Delete option from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted to permanently remove the chosen contacts. After completing these steps, your HubSpot credits and unused contacts will be successfully withdrawn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.